Hi guys and welcome back. Here's how dynamics work in Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling program. A soft body dynamic would be a tag that you put for an object and then it will go down as there's gravity and then it will be colliding with the ground. For example, these stairs. Let's say if we create the stair first. Hold the left click button, head over to plane, and then you know, set the width and the height to, let's say, 600 centimeters, just like so. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, just like this. Set the segments to, let's say, 15, just like this. And then when we're done, right click, contact objects and delete, and then head over to the polygon mode. And then right click, and then simply go to line cut. Make a line. Make a diagonal line. This will be the bottom part of the stairs. Just like so. And then when we're done, go to the brush selection and then erase the parts here. For the bottom part, carefully select it. Select the polygons, just, under the, the diagonal line that we created, and then delete. And then afterwards, you want to create the stairs. The steps, that's to say. Do like what I do. Make sure that it's not right on the diagonal line. Delete. Just like so. And then go to extrude. And then you pull it. I mean, select all of the edges first though. Select everything here. And then go to extrude. Drag it just like so. Easy, isn't it? Drag it so that, it gets extended just like so. Easy. You've created a stair. The stairs. So let's add a cube object that will act as the base. The base of the, the stairs. Okay, and then we're going to extend it. Hold on. Oh, maybe let's make another plane. Just like this, and then you place it just underneath the stairs. Put it like this. And then simply just make it larger. Just like this maybe. Make sure it's enough to cover everything. Alright, this will do. This will definitely do. Then put it here. For example, just like so. So this is how dynamics work. Okay, I'm going to add a cube, for example, and then I'm going to make this cube fall down. So I right click on this cube and then I head over to simulation tags and then I go to soft body. This will allow the cube to fall down and then it hits the stairs. And then it will, go down. Hold on, let's place it around here. For the stairs and the floor, select them all, right click, connect objects and delete, and then right click, simulation tags, and then head over to Collider. This will allow the floor and the stairs to, to be the base on which the cube will fall. Onto which the cube will fall. And then if we hit play, the cube falls down. Just like this. Pretty easy, isn't it? You can add frames. 300 frames will do. You can add more cubes actually. add as many cubes as you want. Place it here. Make it high. Up to you. Place it here. Then place it there. And then when it's done, it will look like this. Hold on. If we hit play, now the cubes fall down and then it hit the ground. They hit the ground, just like this. Pretty easy, eh? That's how dynamics works. That's how dynamics work in Cinema 4D. So that you can create, you know, this animation of cubes gliding on the stair steps. Just like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.